Hello there. I'm issuing an open challenge for web developers where I'm going to select 3 winners and I'm going to announce them on my Twitter, and they will receive a free copy of my ebook. So what is the challenge, you ask? Last week on a live stream, we created a design about a personal portfolio which I have committed to GitHub, and it is called Portfolio Design Challenge. The link will be at the top of the description. You can go through the README for more information and how to submit the complete challenge. I will go through all the submissions in the next live stream. If there are many submissions, then I will dedicate an entire live stream to review them. I hope you enjoy this challenge and I hope you win. Note that I'm also going to do the challenge maybe live on stream, and I'm going to connect it to Sanity CMS to enable the blogging section. So be sure to look out for that amazing build as well. As always, I would like to promote myself a bit. My ebook is available on Gumroad for $5.99, and along with my ebook, I have also created an HTML and CSS course on Udemy. Click the link in the description below to go to the course, and for the next 12 hours beginning the time that I'm going to publish this video on YouTube, then you can use the coupon code SANK50, that is SANK50, to get 50% off. Thank you for the purchase and see you in the next challenge.